Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to show you how to use CapCut's blur effect. But before anything else, please subscribe to this channel if you want more tips and tricks just like this. Now the first thing we need to do is open our CapCut app, and then we're going to start our first project. So now to do this, you need to import some files here. So now let's say I just want to use a photo to make it a quick rendering. You can also add videos and whatever you want it to be used for this kind of project. So now click on your project right here and then drag it over to put it in the timeline. So now you have your first project ready to be edited. Now what we need to do next is you need to copy and paste this timeline. So you just hold Control and then C, and then hold Control and then V. So now you have two timelines ready to be edited. So now you're not going to do anything on the first timeline. You're going to put all the effects on the second timeline. You need to go over the effects. So now on your effects, now there are tons of effects that you could use here, and it will take you time to find it. So we will take advantage of the use of search. So now that you know what to do with your project, you can now start searching for blur. Now, once again, I told you that there's a lot and tons of effects that you might have to be using here. So now what you want to have is a blur effect that can be adjusted. So right now, I'm not sure which one of this is the blur effect that can be adjusted, but we can try it out to know which one it is. So let's see this blur effect, and let's put it here in our second timeline. And now, as you can see on the special effects, you don't have any more functions to do. It's just leaving you blank on the right side. So this is not what we want. So we need to find another effect. Let's try this second blur. And now you can see the option can be changed, because this is going to help you improve your effect for the blur in the photo. Now let's try to make it more dynamic in style. So click on the timeline here again, and then this time what you're going to do is you're gonna click on mask. So now you can choose how your blur is going to happen. It can be a circle, rectangle, or heart, or star, however you want it to be. So just click on one of these masks, and then it will blur a certain part according to the shapes you have chosen. So you can adjust the size depending on how you want it. So let's say I just wanted to put the face to be blurred. And now you can also adjust the feather on how you want it to blur to happen. Right? If you want it to be rough or very sharp, you can adjust the feather on the best ways you want it to be. So now let's say I just want to blur the face right here. So now click out of your timeline, and then that is done. Now if you want to reverse the mask, they also have an option here as a reverse option, which now doesn't blur the face, but it blurs all of the area around the mask. So now, hope this video have helped you, and I guess that's all. So thanks for watching.